In this tutorial, we will walk you through the process of buying smart coins on the Mexc cryptocurrency exchange, which is essential for the operation of your wallet. Step 1. Signing up on the Mexc exchange. Go to the website mexc.com. Click on the Login/Sign Up button in the upper right corner of the screen. In the opened window, enter your email or mobile number. Then click Next. Complete the verification to prove you're not a robot. After the verification, in the next window, you need to create a password. Enter it and agree to the terms by checking the box. Click on the Sign Up button. A verification code will be sent to your provided email. Enter it in the next window and click Confirm. Done. You've signed up on the exchange. Step 2. Setting up Google Authenticator. Before you begin, it's necessary to set up Google Authenticator to secure your work with the exchange. Go to the Profile section, select Security and then Two-Factor Authentication, 2FA. Click the Set Up button. A window with instructions for linking Google Authenticator will open. Download Google Authenticator on your smartphone. Then click Next. A QR code will appear, which you need to scan using the installed mobile app. To do this, open the app. On the first screen, tap the Get Started button. In the next window, select Scan a QR code. Scan the QR code from the activation page. You will see that a code for the Mexc exchange has appeared in your app. After this, click Next. A code will be sent to your mobile phone or email, depending on what you specified during registration. To receive it, click Get Code. Enter the received code in the first field, and in the second, input the current code from the Google Authenticator app. Then click Next. Done. Google Authenticator is successfully connected. Step 3. Topping up your exchange balance. To send USDT to your exchange balance, go to Wallet Deposit. In the list of cryptocurrencies, select USDT and ensure that the correct network is selected. Click on the Deposit Address field for the exchange to generate a deposit address for you. Send USDT to the provided address. Please note that the minimum deposit amount is 0.01 USDT. Step 4. Purchasing Smart. On the main page, select Spot. A window will open. In the search bar, enter the name of the cryptocurrency you want to buy. Let's find Smart. We see that the Smart/USDT pair is available. You can buy Smart at the market price, for example the current price, or set a limit order at your desired price. To buy Smart at the current price, select Market. For a limit order, choose Limit. You can also set a stop limit order, which allows you to set both a stop price and a limit price to control the execution price of your trade. Choose your desired order type. Select the price at which you want to buy Smart in the case of a limit order, the amount of Smart you want to purchase, and click Buy Smart. Done. You have purchased Smart on the Mexc exchange. Now you need to transfer it to your Smart wallet. Step 5. Withdrawing Smart to your Smart wallet. To send coins from the exchange, you'll need to copy your wallet address. Open the Smart Wallet app and click on the Smart card. You will see your wallet address, which you can copy by clicking on the copy icon. Return to Mexc. Go to Wallet and select Withdraw. Enter Smart in the search bar. Enter the copied wallet address and the amount of Smart you want to send, and click the Submit button. A window will open where you'll need to enter the code sent to your email or mobile phone, along with the code from the Google Authenticator app. Enter the codes and click Submit. You will then receive an email to verify you are the one initiating the transaction. Check your email and confirm the withdrawal. You will need to enter the last 4 digits of the withdrawal address and click Submit. If you do not confirm the withdrawal within 15 minutes, the transaction will be automatically cancelled. Once the transaction is processed, you will receive the coins in your wallet. We've walked you through the entire process, from registering on the exchange to purchasing and withdrawing smart coins. We hope this tutorial answered your questions. If you have any further questions, feel free to reach out to our support team.